This tutorial will make use of the hotkeys.js library. Make index.html and index.js files before you begin. Enter the exclamation mark to obtain the boilerplate HTML code. Copy and paste the cdn script tag, then add another script tag to your index.js file. You now have access to the hotkeys function, which accepts two parameters: the shortcut you want to add and a callback function that will be executed when the user presses the shortcut key provided. Let's do a simple alert for testing reasons. Let's add a couple more website shortcuts now. The e.prevent default method prevents the default behavior from occurring. Because it is faster than an if-else tree, we will use the switch method to determine which key is pressed. There are several cases in the switch approach where we compare the given value to the case. Let's do a simple alert for testing reasons.
And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
It works, as you can see. So there you have it. That's how you add shortcuts to your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.